Hello everyone, welcome to Click English. I'm Tutor Nick. In this lesson, you are going to do 4 exercises to check your knowledge of the past continuous tense. As always with exercises, the answers are in the blue key section at the end of the video. Remember, the best way of learning English is to speak it. Repeat the sentences in the key section after the speaker. Go back if necessary and listen once again and repeat. The Click English method works best if you watch and listen to each new video twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. They are usually between 5 and 15 minutes long. If you do this a few times in the week, you will be surprised how quickly you learn. Look at the pictures. Where were these people at 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon? And what were they doing? Write 2 sentences for each picture. Sarah did a lot of things yesterday morning. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Complete the questions. Use was, were and ing. Use what, where and why if necessary. Look at the picture. You saw Joe in the street yesterday afternoon. What was he doing? Write positive or negative sentences.
Rachel was at home. She was watching TV. Jack and Kate were at the cinema. They were watching a film. Tom was in his car. He was driving. Tracy was at the station. She was waiting for a train. Mr. and Mrs. Hall were in the park. They were walking. At 8:45, she was washing the car. At 11:15 she was playing tennis. At 8 o'clock she was reading the newspaper. At 12:10 she was cooking. At 7:15 she was eating breakfast. At 9:30 she was cleaning the kitchen. Where were you living in 2017? What were you doing at 2 o'clock? Was it raining when you got up? Why was Sue driving so fast? Was Tom wearing a suit yesterday? He wasn't wearing a jacket. He was carrying a bag. He wasn't going to the dentist. He was eating an ice cream. He wasn't carrying an umbrella. He wasn't going home. He was wearing a hat. He wasn't riding a bicycle.